These two financial mistakes could literally cost you tens of thousands of dollars in the future. A couple weeks ago, I was looking at how the bank invested my girlfriend Barbara's money for her RRSP. In less than 1 minute, I saw several red flags that she was completely unaware of. The major issue I found was that the fees for the account were almost half the amount of the returns. So rather than earning a return of what the fund brought in, which was about 7%, after all the fees, she was only getting about 3.5%. Now, if this stayed consistent for the next 40 years, then the $600 that she had invested would only be worth about $2,366. And we can compare that to about the $8,000 that it should actually be worth before all the fees that just chip away at your returns. If I hadn't noticed this and she kept pouring her savings into this account, then she'd miss out on earning tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars more over her lifetime. So the two mistakes here are, number one, you can't trust your bank to act in your best interest when it comes to investing your money, because they're not legally obligated to do so. They're just salespeople. And mistake number two is that being financially illiterate can make you miss even the most simple red flags of your investments, and it can lead you to being taken advantage of, which you don't want. So how can you ensure this doesn't happen to you? Well, I'm offering a free session to help you dissect your investments or any other financial struggles that you're currently facing. And after our session, we can determine the next steps with your best interest in mind. So if you're unsure what to look for on your statements, or what to ask your banker, or even how to get started with investing, let's set up a session and I can get you started in the right direction. And of course, I've posted a link down below in the description. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you know someone who could use some financial help, then send this video to them. And to keep up with my new videos every Thursday, subscribe and hit the little bell button. And with that, I'll see you next week. Bye.